So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Redbubble shops, giving some feedback in terms of what people are doing well, what they need to improve on. The aim of these videos is to firstly help the people that are requesting these shop reviews, as well as help the people that are watching. If you're someone that's looking to increase their sales, you're not getting sales at all, and you're looking to get your first sale, these types of videos do help. So I do hope you're going to enjoy this one. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if you've never seen me before and this is the first time you're passing by the channel, you might want to hit that red subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any video that could potentially help you to make some extra cash online. And we've helped a lot of people here on the channel get sales, even over on the Facebook group, which if you're not part of, the link to that will be down in the description. And finally, if you want some extra information in regards of print on demand, especially Redbubble, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I've also got a paid step-by-step course that's linked down in the description. Anyways, getting straight into this, I'm going to be going through some of your shops, guys. And a quick side note, if this video goes on to hit 200 plus likes, I'll actually do a live stream where I will review your shops live. There's a lot of shops that have been sent in, so I'm going to be trying to get through as much as possible. And if you've not sent in your shop as of yet, you need to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down in the description. And starting us off for today's episode, we have this shop here. So it's called Phoenix EG. And I can see that there is 26 designs. And as we scroll through, there's a lot of designs that look like that might be copyrighted here. Don't quote me on this. You'd have to do a bit of further research, which I'll talk about what you can do to actually get around that. In terms of the banner, it looks okay. You just need to make sure that it's not this blurry. Now, if you want to create a good banner, you have to make sure that you're using Redbubble's recommended dimensions. And these right here are Redbubble's banner dimensions, in case you're wondering. And as I'm scrolling through, I'm seeing sticker packs. Sticker packs are always good to see. There's a variation of designs. Some of the things I'm not too aware about, some of the things I am. Nevertheless, there's only 26 designs in the shop. So whoever owns and runs this shop, you need to try to get your design numbers up. If you can get to at least 100 designs, that will help your shop a lot moving forward. Mainly because if you have more things, there's more of a catalog people can actually buy from. Now, in regards of trademark checking, some of the designs look like they might be trademarked. So if you want to trademark check your designs, you need to use trademark here. For anyone that doesn't know what trademark here is, this is the website. I actually covered it a lot more in my previous video where I talk about the fastest ways to find evergreen as well as trending niches. So if you want more information on how to use this site, the video I made covering this will also be linked down in the description. As for this shop, once again, the main thing they need to focus on is getting their design numbers up. But if I was to click on a random design, so I'll click on the sticker pack. I know this was something that was trending through Redbubble, so I like the fact that they've been taking time to actually try jump on trends to help boost their shop up. Now the title, simple, panda milk and matcha bears, that is the keyword that was mainly trending. They've got it in the description. I don't know if they meant to put this in the tag section. Also, they've put the tags both in the description and in the tag section. On Redbubble, doesn't make too much of a difference. I like the fact that they're trying to optimize their shop as much as possible. So as we go through the tags, I can see we've got milk matcha bear, funny cartoon cute bears. Right, okay, they look like they know what they're doing here. I usually recommend between 10 to 20 tags, 25 at most. I don't think they've gone past that by a crazy amount. So the tags look okay there. And in regards of how many products they've activated, I am seeing 87 products. So there might be a couple of things that aren't activated, but for the most part, it looks like everything is activated. And if you're someone who doesn't have 87 products activated, make sure that you're checking your accounts to make sure that everything is activated. That will make a big difference if you want to increase your chances of actually getting sales. Next shop, we have logo in which for some reason I thought it said login. Nevertheless, the banner looks fairly interesting. And the logo matches with the banner, which is always good to see. So they're well past that 100 design mark, which is always good to see. And as we scroll through, I'm seeing a featured collection at the top. Collections are very important. They help to make things easier for new customers that actually come onto your shop. And as we go through, I'm seeing stickers, seeing clocks. So a lot of different styles in the shop, which is always good, mainly because this allows you to kind of see what works better for your shop moving forward. And I'll scroll right to the bottom just to get an idea of how well the shop's doing. So they've got over 1,000 favorites, which for me means that people are finding the shop, which is always good to see. One thing that I'm not seeing on this shop is greetings card. We're getting into the festive period. So for example, this right here, it's a design that says Merry Christmas on a shirt. But if you was to put this maybe on a greetings card, you never know, you could end up with a sale. So try to implement greetings card into your shop. It looks like for the most part, you know what you're doing. You just need to start using more gift related products, as that could potentially increase your sales. Now, when we go on to the design that I was speaking about, this one, I'll have a quick look at how you've titled it. So we've got virus and masks. Now, if you're going to put up a design like this, a title like virus and masks isn't as optimized. You want to put something like 2020, the year we was quarantined and had to wear masks, or something like that. A title that's kind of that long with that many keywords will help this to be more optimized. And as we go a bit further down, I'm just gonna have a quick look at how many tags you're using. So you're using quite a few tags in there, but you want to focus more around the quarantine social distancing tag. So for example, things like Pinterest, don't need to have Pinterest in there. You just need to focus more on the keywords that are in relation to wearing masks. In terms of how many products you've got this available, and I'm seeing 92 products here. At 92 products, I'm pretty sure that is every single product activated. So that's always good to see. So I just want to say well done on that. You're smashing it. In terms of your shop, you just need to start implementing more things like greetings cards, mainly because we're now in the festive seasons and those things start to sell quite a lot. Moving us on to our next shop, we have Victorian. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Got a nice looking banner, and the logo doesn't really match with the banner, but it's okay. I mean, it doesn't affect things too much, mainly because the banner is not all over the place. It's just a simple picture. Now, I'm seeing 64 designs, so they've not yet reached 100 designs. Aim to hit 100 designs before you start reviewing your shop to see what you need to change, because that will allow you to see what designs get more favorites and what designs you should concentrate more on. Now, I'm seeing that you've got backpacks as your front images here, and pillows. I'm guessing that you've not selected these things. You've probably put it on the default option. Now, I don't really look for backpacks or pillows, so if you've put this on the default option, if I was someone that's on Redbubble looking to buy something, if this was a design that I liked but I'm seeing it on a pillow, there's a chance I might not buy it. So you want to be selecting the product you want, especially if you've got zero sales or if you're not getting consistent sales. I would recommend that you go ahead with starting off with stickers or masks if you have no sales, as that will help to make a difference. I'm seeing you've got 38 favorites, so you are getting some traction on some of your designs. You just need to make sure that you're creating more sticker related designs and more masks and putting them up as the front images, as that will increase the traffic as well as the sales coming to your shop there. So we've got Dad, the Myth, the Legend. This would have been a design that would have been good for something like Father's Day. So if I look at the title, we split it up into the Man, the Myth, the Legend. And to be honest, I think that's a really big trend. So when it comes to things like this, you need to be able to kind of sub niche further into it to get more keywords. Talking about keywords, in terms of your tags, you've got Dad, Father's Day, Legend, the Myth, the Man, the Legend, Father, Myth, Papa. So you could put things in there such as present for Dad, gift for Dad, things like that. Little things like that help with the tags as well and increase your chances of being brought up through the Redbubble algorithm. So it's always good to try things like that. And as for how many products this is activated on, I'm seeing that this is activated on 92 products. So you've pretty much got all angles covered, everything, which is good to see. Nevertheless, in terms of your shop, you need to try push for 100 designs and try to implement stickers as well as masks more as your front image products as well. Moving on to the next shop, we have Aldo Daci. Very interesting banner. There's a lot going on there, but I like how they've put design by Aldo, and then you just got a picture of, I'm guessing this is Aldo wearing a face mask. As we go through the shop, I'm seeing firstly they've hit the 100 design threshold, which is good to see. So if you're at this point, you can start reviewing your designs, seeing what's getting the most traffic, the most favorites, and then working on those type of designs a bit more. I'm seeing a variation of designs, mainly on things like jumpers, shirts, phone cases. If you're someone who's not yet got sales, Aldo, try to implement, like I was saying before, stickers, face masks. You can even try greetings cards, mainly because we're now in the festive season. I'm gonna have a quick look at your favorites. So I'm seeing 483. So people are finding your shop. So if you have a particular product that's selling well, which is why you're showing it as your front image, that makes sense. But if you're struggling to get sales, you want to implement things more like stickers, greetings cards, masks. That should help your shop get going. Nevertheless, I'm going to click on a design. Now we've got this one here. It says windmill, and that was on a sunrise effect kind of design. And you've gone with the title of windmills, which if this was me, I would type windmills and try sub niche into windmills to see what other keywords link. If I was to scroll through to the tags, I'm seeing you got windmills, trees, grass, landscape. Okay, you want to implement the word windmill and find other sub niches that could be linked to windmill. So maybe a windmill owner or windmill caretaker. And as we scroll up, I'm seeing you've got this on 93 products, which is good to see, which means everything is activated, which is something I always recommend to anyone putting products there. And yeah, in terms of your shop, just try your best to make sure that you're implementing more stickers, greetings cards, masks as your front images. This will help your sales to start increasing. And once you're getting consistent sales, you can then play around with other products and put them as your front images. And to finish us off, we have the Button Art Stu. So I'm guessing that's kind of like the Button Art Studio for short. So we've got the banner there, button art, and a bit of a neon styled font, which is always good to see. It stands out yet still looks fairly simple, which is good. And you've got the picture of the owner of the shop, I'm guessing here. And then as we go through, we're seeing collections. You've got to use collections, guys. If you're not yet using them, they make a difference. It just helps to section out your shop, to give people more option in terms of whatever it is they're looking at. I'm seeing sticker packs, and the sticker packs are fairly spaced out. I would say if I had to nitpick something in regards of this particular sticker pack, I would say to remove these 4 little stars there. Then you've got spacing between these 4 images and the star in the middle, and that would help with the sticker pack. Besides that, I mean, I'm seeing this sticker pack looks pretty cool. So does this one. Cool looking designs, shirt, stickers, mainly a lot of stickers, which is always good to see, because stickers will get you into the party. Stickers will get the sales coming in at first, and then after that you can go on from that. I like what she's done here. She's used the made in template I spoke about a few videos back, and she's actually made this into a sticker pack. So she's kind of taken 2 little tips, put them together, and she's created her own little thing there, which is always good to see. And in terms of how many designs she has 473 designs. So she's killing it in terms of the design department. And I'm going to click on one of her designs, and then we'll have a quick look to see if there's anything she could improve elsewhere. Now, before I start talking about this, I just want to say with the sticker packs that I saw, I'm guessing that some of them were in her Christmas collections, and I didn't see any greetings cards there. So if you're watching this, try to create greetings cards. They will help you out a lot during this festive season. But yeah, try that and let me know how it goes. Now, as for the design that I clicked on, the nurse text and drip, I know nurse drip designs usually tend to do quite well and have been doing well on Redbubble, mainly because it's kind of like a sub niche of the nurse niche. So I like the fact that she's gone into that. She's used the sticker pack. She's kind of took advantage of that in the right way. I'm seeing that this product is available on 88 things, so it's not quite yet on everything. So if you're watching this, I'll say go into your portfolio and see if there's any other products you haven't got activated, and make sure that they're activated. And as we scroll through, I am seeing in terms of the tags, got nurse, medic, medical, nurse job, nursing, healthcare, family nurse. She knows what she's doing in terms of the tags. It doesn't have to improve anything there. Keep doing what you're doing in terms of your tags. But as for your shop, keep trying to find new trendy designs, only if you're not yet bringing in consistent sales. But if you are now bringing in consistent sales, try to implement greetings cards onto your shop, mainly because with the way that you create your designs, the way you put your designs up, I feel that you could do very, very well with greetings cards. I hope you found that information useful, and for everyone else who's been watching this video, I hope that you've taken something from this. Once again, if you want to see me do a live stream of shop reviews where I will go through a lot of shops, trust me, it will be a long live stream. Make sure to drop a like on this. If we can hit 200 plus likes, I will do a Redbubble shop reviews live stream where I also answer some of your questions as well. Nevertheless, that is it for today. If you made it this far, down in the comment section, comment "I want a live stream," and I'll respond to as many of you guys as I can, and it will also push me to make a live stream. Yeah guys, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.